Hello learners, welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. It's day 12 and today we will explore XLOOKUP, a versatile function in Excel that's even more powerful than vlookup and hlookup. XLOOKUP allows you to search both vertically and horizontally, making it the go-to function for modern data lookup needs. So today's target is understanding XLOOKUP. So let's jump into it. So unlike vlookup and hlookup, XLOOKUP looks value in any column or row and return the result from another range. No need to worry about data being in the first column or row. XLOOKUP is flexible and simple to use. So let us first understand the syntax of XLOOKUP. First is lookup value, the value you want to search for. After that, the lookup array, the range where Excel will look for the lookup value. After that, the return array, the range from where Excel will return a corresponding value. Next is if not found. It is optional. Here we can put a value to return if the lookup value is not found. Next is match mode. It is also optional. Here we can put 0 for exact match, which is default. After that we can put -1 for exact match or next smaller item. After that we 1 for exact match or next larger item. Next is search mode, which is also optional. Here 1 is default, which search from first to last. Then -1 search from last to first. 2 is a binary search in ascending order and -2 is binary search in descending order. So let's say we want to find the stock quantity of product ID P1002. We can use XLOOKUP to search for P1002 in the product ID column and return the stock value from the stock column. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to XLOOKUP, then the value we are searching, after that the range, and then the range from where Excel will return the matching result. So as you can see, we got our result. Now, what if the value isn't found? With XLOOKUP, we can specify a custom message for missing values. To do that, let's change the product ID from P1002 to P1006 and at the last we will put not found. So as you can see, we got not found because the product ID isn't in the list. So that's all for today. We will meet in our next video with another topic. Thank you.